Welcome! Today we're going to walk through the quick and easy steps to enable the dark theme in your Gmail app, updated for 2025. If you find your eyes getting tired from the bright white background or simply prefer a sleeker look, turning on dark mode can make a big difference. Let's get started. First, unlock your phone and open the Gmail app. Once Gmail is up, look for the menu icon. It's the three horizontal lines, often known as the hamburger menu, located in the top left corner of your screen. Go ahead and tap that icon. A sidebar will slide open. Now, scroll down through the menu options until you see Settings. Tap on Settings to enter the configuration area of your Gmail app. Inside the Settings menu, you might see a list of all your email accounts. Instead of choosing a specific account, tap on General Settings. Here is where you'll find display and theme preferences that impact the entire app, no matter which account you're using. Next, look for the option called Theme. It may be near the top of the General Settings menu. Tap on Theme, and a new pop-up window will appear, showing several options: light, dark, and possibly System Default. To switch Gmail to a darker, eye-friendly interface, simply tap Dark. Once you select it, confirm your choice by tapping OK. That's it. Your Gmail app will now instantly switch to the dark theme, giving it a fresh new look that's much easier on the eyes, especially in low light or at night. Plus, using dark mode can even help save a little battery life on phones with OLED screens. If you ever change your mind and want to go back to the original look, just revisit the theme setting and pick Light or System Default. So, to recap, open the Gmail app, tap the menu icon, scroll to Settings, choose General Settings, select Theme, tap Dark, and press OK to apply. Give it a try now. Enjoy your new dark Gmail experience. It's simple, stylish, and better for your eyes.